Did you know that space is full of secrets that scientists are still trying to understand? Today, we're counting down 10 space facts that will completely blow your mind. Stay until the end. Number 10 will shock you. Fact 1. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on every beach on Earth. Imagine standing on a beach looking at billions of tiny grains of sand. Now think about this. For every single grain, there are even more stars out there in space. This shows just how endless the universe really is. Fact 2. Space is completely silent. If you shouted as loud as possible in space, nobody would hear you. That's because sound needs air or water to travel through, and space is a vacuum. It's one of the quietest, most peaceful places ever known. Fact 3. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. The planet rotates so slowly that one single day on Venus lasts about 203 Earth days, while its year, the time it takes to go around the Sun, is only 225 Earth days. So on Venus, a day is actually longer than its year. Fact 4. Neutron stars are unbelievably dense. Just 1 teaspoon of material from a neutron star would weigh about 1 billion tons on Earth. That's heavier than mountains. These stars are what's left after giant stars explode, and they're some of the strangest objects in the universe. Fact 5. In space, astronauts grow taller. Without gravity pressing down on their spine, astronauts can stretch about 2 inches taller. But don't worry, when they come back to Earth, gravity quickly brings them back to their normal height. Fact 6. The footprints left on the moon are still there. Because the moon has no wind, no air, and no water, the marks made by astronauts more than 50 years ago are still perfectly visible. They could stay there for millions of years as a time capsule of human history. Fact 7. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a storm bigger than Earth. This massive storm has been raging for at least 350 years. Imagine a hurricane so large our entire planet could fit inside it. That's how powerful and enormous Jupiter's storm really is. Fact 8. There's a giant cloud of alcohol in space. Yes, you heard that right. Scientists discovered a massive cloud filled with alcohol molecules floating near the center of our galaxy. It's big enough to make 400 trillion pints of beer. Of course, no one can drink it. But it shows how wild the universe can be. Fact 9. In space, metals can weld themselves together. If 2 pieces of the same type of metal touch, they can instantly bond without heat or glue. This is called cold welding, and it only happens in the vacuum of space. That's something we would never see happen on Earth. Fact 10. Black holes bend time and space. They don't just suck in light and matter. Their gravity is so strong, they can stretch time itself. Near a black hole, time slows down compared to other parts of the universe. It's almost like stepping into a real-life time machine. Space is full of mysteries, and every discovery makes us realize how tiny we are in this endless universe. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing facts.